Friends, today I want to show you that I made two sourdough bread. One is with just the caraway seeds and another one with black olives and caraway seeds. So the point here is I'm not using any fancy equipment. This is just the Pyrex container, and I heat it up in the oven. I started my oven at 450, and when it's hot enough, I have put the hot water in this and put it on the low rack, and this one I just covered it and baked it for 20 minutes. At the same time, when I'm using this cast iron pan, I heat it up on the stove a little bit so it's hot, and then I put this inside my bread to bake. I put like a 2 ice cubes on the side and covered it just with the simple cover, right? And 20 minutes after, I lowered the temperature to 425 and baked it for around like 20 minutes more until I see the crust has formed, and you can see they turned out really good. You can hear it. So if you don't have fancy equipments, just try it. Do give it a try. It's so much fun learning the technique. You have to watch lots of videos, read the recipes, follow the instructions. I'm also learning, so this is my third and fourth loaf. This time I decided to double it, and you can see the result. It's beautiful, and I can't wait to try it.